So my designs this year, the prints are new. The brown one is the Waki print, and the black one is our Iri Meke. Our prints is part of our 5-year goal. We decided to come up with prints that can help our Masi prints become instantly recognizable internationally. So we've decided to stick to our earthy tones this year, and hopefully next year we can experiment with other colors. But we trying to so this collection is part of that goal, and we're slowly going into swimwear. The whole thing has to do with trying to keep our version, or because Masi prints has stayed alive because people have taken inspiration and created something new, something that people can appreciate and be proud of. So that's why we've been trying to take inspiration from our Masi prints and then continue to work with that and create new prints that people will love and wear and hopefully keep it alive. I started playing around with dress styles because I didn't want to wear Sulu Chamba when I was younger, but it grew into something that I loved. I loved making something that made somebody feel beautiful. So that's part of the reason why I decided to make a hobby into a business that I was passionate about. It's been a long one, and it's been one where I've learned from mistakes and appreciating art and culture and what we're so rich with here in Fiji, and then finding my place in hopefully helping to keep it alive. My future goals is to become an internationally recognized label that is proudly Fijian. I'm married with 7 kids. 2 of my daughters are also models for Fiji Fashion Week, and they both also walked for me. And they are the ones who the label is named after, Lava and Lani, which is Lava Lani. I am from Ponolevu, Baturava, Dakondrave, but I'm written under my stepdad in Onoilau, and both places are very rich with Masi prints, and they have beautiful prints, which is something I've come to appreciate. And I'm Vasuvambea Onokandavu.